You should address for the Halfords now, or...
It's up to you. I'd like to go early and leave pretty soon after that.
I get you loud and clear. Hey, you look nice.
Where have you been?
You'll never guess where I found her.
Found her?
In the basement at Janie and Jim's. That weirdo Mikey. Not even a TV on. And they're on the floor. And he's got his trousers undone, though thank goodness she was still dressed. Well, I really let him have it. And Wendy came home peacefully.
So, what were you doing in the Carver's basement anyway?
I was dropping off a coffee cup. Jim left it last time he was over. It was on the dash of the car. You were, reading. I just wanted to catch some air.
Oh, right. The mustache coffee cup. The one that was sitting on the dash.
Yeah, that one.
That one.
See ya.
Stay out of trouble.
You'll be on the 10:30 train?
11:30.
Oh.
Oh, let the guy have some fun. What's the name of this girl with the fancy New York address?
Libbets Casey.
Libbets? What sort of name is Libbets?
Just get a taxi home from the station tonight. It's supposed to storm.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Ends tonight's coverage of the water event. In other news, outside.
We like snow showers, which quickly turn to light rain. Once that rain comes down even harder tonight, accompanied by rapidly decreasing temperatures, getting down to around freezing by midnight. Drivers in particular, beware. It's going to get awfully icy on those roads.
What's for dessert?
See for yourself.
Well, that's from the experts, eh?
A line of showers now located across central New Jersey is sweeping our way and is expected to arrive in our area within the hour.
Don't start.
You think
I have no idea.
What's on your mind? I mean...
It wouldn't make for a pleasant evening if that's what you're after. I don't want to talk about it. Stupid mustache cup.
What do you mean?
You think I'm so dense? You think I'm so dense? Now you want to be seen with your dense wife at the cocktail party. You want me to shake hands with your wife, make conversation, and you're not going to report me to respect for talking honestly about this. You don't really know what this feels like.
Technically, it's not what you're thinking, Elena.
Please have the decency to at least not tell me what I'm thinking.